Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Quad Boss Elite, and today's video is going to be some footage that I got earlier of me getting the 350 stuck, not once, but twice. And most of you would think, well, why'd you get it stuck? I felt like doing a burnout in the dirt. It just happened, you know? It was so much fun, I just got a little carried away. But I'm currently going to roll that footage now. Woo! Damn! There you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed that footage. That was just a little something fun to throw in there, not your ordinary, you know, wheelies or riding that we normally do. Please give this video a like, guys. Subscribe to Quad Boss Elite to see more videos like this one. Also check out our Silverado restoration series that we're doing. Thank you guys, and we will catch you on the next one.